Good morning, garden lovers. I am just so heartbroken this morning because as I will show you, it started snowing last night and I didn't prepare everything like I was supposed to. Well, I mean, the snow came as a surprise. I was supposed to tie all my trees, protect them from any heavy snow. Hey, I'm interrupting myself. I just want to mention that I'm going to show you what it looked like last night in the garden before I show you what it looks like this morning. So here we go. Yeah, that's a lot of snow. You don't have any electricity. Oh. That was the grasses. There's no reason to tie the grasses. Look, they just fall. Look at our poor trees. Steph. Look at my bench. Well, that must be Jace. Look at that. Just everything. Oh. Everything. Well, these are my lights. Oh well, it is beautiful though. There's no more electricity. All just gone, except for the school there has a generator. Oh, Steph, we have to put poles, something. Maybe I should go shake it. I don't want it to break. Hang on, let's shake this. Whoop, it popped right back up.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, because they're going to break. Oh my God. Oh my God, where's my other tree? Oh my God. Oh my. It's folded in half. Look at it.
Yeah.
It's completely folded. Hang on.
That's why a while ago I said, oh no.
No, don't worry. Life finds a way. We'll get back. Steph, we gotta put something to hold it. Yeah, I'm gonna come in. Oh, did you see the flash? That's a generator that just, yeah. Oh, there's another flash. That's another generator. There's blue flashes. That's when generators go off right there. Oh. This is crazy. Just a few days ago, I was sitting here and I was taking the leaves, cleaning, taking the leaves out of the pathway here. I hope they'll survive the night. I didn't realize that my trees... Wait, hear this one also. Shake this. I'm sorry, little one. Jace. Jace, you enjoying the snow? He loves it. Can you hear that? It is a beautiful wonderland, though. Jace is having a ball. He loves it. I don't have my mic on, guys, so I hope you're hearing okay. All right, time to go back inside. It's November 11th, 10 or 11th, and check this out. This is one of my trees, my arborvitae. This one is just hunched over, completely hunched over. Seriously, I was not prepared for this. They said 10 centimeters, you know. Oh, it's fine, it'll melt. It's fine, it'll melt, and we'll go and protect the trees. I'll just tie them. I just didn't have time. Let's back this up. See, these are two of my, spire, what is it called? Spire in French. I'm sorry, I'm not remembering the name right now. But look at it. It just split in half, and it's laying there. It's laying there. And look, I have no space to pass, practically. So they were calling for 10 centimeters, and this is way over a foot of snow. I mean, you can see my bench over there. Last night, I showed you this here. The trees were both hunched down, but I shook them, and they're okay this morning. This one I shook. Everything, this is my hydrangea, is down here. I mean, you guys didn't, this whole garden, you guys didn't see it yet because yeah, you didn't see the whole garden yet because this is in not real time. This is what's happening now, but my videos are from the summer. So look at this one here, hunched over, just completely hunched over. Oh, poor trees. I'm sorry, it's like 7:30 in the morning. I'm trying to explain. Oh my God, my David Austins. Oh my God, so they were supposed to be protected. Oh, look at these. These are my, they keeled over. These are my hedges. Oh my God. Look, that's my hedge. See, it's just keeled over. It's supposed to be up high, and it's just like laying down there. Oh my. And, oh, my apple tree. Look, you can tell me that that's 10 centimeters? There's my apple tree here. I'm gonna try to shake it. Get up, buddy. Oh boy. Is it gonna stay like that? Get up, bud. Oh, it won't stand. Look at it, it's just, oh. I guess once it warms up, it should straighten out. Oh, it's getting cold out here. Anyhow, yeah, so the last video you saw of me, of my garden, it was nice and hot. And now this is, because that was recorded in the summer, and now it's winter time here, so I'm just showing you now what's happening now in the present time. Can you imagine this is supposed to be a bush? Oh boy. Garden beauty. Oh, they said, oh, leave your, because right there, I have grasses there, and I had tied them for them to stay nice and tall. They say, leave it like that for winter interest. What kind of interest is that? They just crushed. So this whole winter interest thing, I'm not too sure. I'll leave seed heads and whatnot. You know, I'll leave seed heads and flowers and whatnot, but all this stuff for winter interest is not going to work for me. I don't think so, because it just, we get snow here. Lots of it. Hang on. These were flowers also. They were just beautiful a few days ago. I was so surprised at how everything was just so beautiful. Guys, so I guess that'll be it for this week. Sorry for my morning face, but good morning to you. And I guess I'll see you in the next video, and it'll probably be nice and warm in the next video. So thanks for watching, and till then, keep gardening.